Yo, what's up, Motobeards? Welcome back to my channel and good evening. So today we're gonna do something different than usual. Today we're gonna take a look at LA at night during the wildfires and the pandemic. So it's a Saturday night in LA, so let's check it out, guys. I'm going to take you guys to Hollywood Boulevard and then we're going to take it from there. Let's see how crazy it's over there. Jaywalking. Hi, mommy. La Brea. Let's turn on La Brea. It's like the nature wants to punish us. Certain things we've done, my theory, of course, which probably might not be even true on a scientific way or something. It's just my 2 cents, but definitely something to take in consideration, that we do need to take care of the nature. Can't only just take. We also have to give back something that the nature can recover again. Stuff like that, you know. Welcome to Hollywood Boulevard. Let's go. God damn it, people can't even drive properly. Slow, too slow. Sorry, buddy, you're way too slow. The guy in the BMW i8 thought he's like fast, but trust me, the BMW is like okay. Thank you. I know your specs of the car. I mean, the BMW i8, it looks cool, but it doesn't really have that power, you know. Alright, let's get to the front. Look at this. People trying to go into the bar. Because the thing is not like you cannot control other people. That's to come too close to you, breathe in your air, you know, and that is the thing, you know, bro. Yeah, some people don't understand. You gotta let the people go when you lane split. Don't just fucking block them and then look at me with this stupid face expression. Lane split. Oop. Somebody got busted. And another one. You know, the funny thing is, when you're on this street, especially at the night time, you don't really need to speak a lot because this whole area is gonna speak for itself. All the craziness, what's going on. So check it out for yourself. Busy, busy, busy. God damn it. Oh my god. This is just too funny. I mean, you have to be firsthand to really like understand what I'm laughing about, what I'm giggling, because the thing is too funny. Wow, these people here. Crazy. Fucking stupid. All right, let's check out more of this stuff. What's going on here? Lady, you gotta move. It's California, not New Mexico. That was a slow boy with this BMW i8. It's so funny, like when people see that you have that camera in front of you, they start like staring at you. He wants to go fast, I'm pretty sure. Let's see if I can do something about that. Shit, what's going on? Wow, they're packed. I could even have a line to get in, so how is that like social distancing at all? M850i. She was looking at me like, what the heck does he want from me? He's trying to go through. I don't know what that is. Well, let's see. I don't know if I have that much time. I don't know when the exciting part's gonna come. Probably can't stay here until midnight though. The next person. All right. Wow, he's good. Look at that. Oh, we also have a Michael Jackson here. Look at it. Where's your mask? Where's your mask?
Hi. We're near sobriety checkpoint.
Sir, can you not come so close to me?
Huh?
Can you not stay a little bit away from me, please?
I can't hear you.
Yeah, can you go a little bit back?
Hey.
Sir.
Please.
Yeah, but can you go a little bit back?
Thank you. Now, have you had any alcohol tonight?
No,
Okay.
I'm riding.
Stop giving me a lecture about stepping back. I'm trying to do a job.
Yeah, that's not the job to come close to me, sir.
Have a good night.
Fucking cop. Nobody can give them a lecture. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you had a good time. I could show you a little bit how LA is during a wildfire and pandemic on a Saturday night. I'm looking forward to see you guys at the next video. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe. Your support would mean a lot to me, that I can keep doing what I'm doing, keep improving myself, work myself, invest in myself. See you at the next one, guys.